Oversized coffee mug. Our oversized ceramic coffee mug holds 24 ounces of your favorite beverage, so you can assemble Earth's mightest heroes, the Avengers, and also the power get through that meeting. Featuring the Avengers, Iron Man, Thor, Spider-Man, Captain America, and the Hulk. Multiple uses. Not just for coffee, our oversized novelty coffee mug can also be used as a paperweight, storage for pens or loose change, or even mug cakes. Safety and care. Our heat reveal ceramic coffee mug is BPA-free and toxin-free. Hand wash only, not suitable for dishwasher or microwave. Officially licensed. Have confidence knowing you are purchasing an officially licensed Marvel oversized novelty coffee mug from Silver Buffalo. Makes a great gift. This oversized ceramic coffee mug makes a great gift for all the Marvel and Avengers fans in your life. Whether it's for girls, boys, kids or adults, they will all be able to assemble Earth's mightest heroes with their next drink. Assemble some of Earth's mightest heroes with your next drink thanks to the Silver Buffalo Marvel Comics Hero Grid oversized ceramic coffee mug for cappuccino, latte, hot cocoa, soup mug or cereal. This star-studded 24-ounce oversized novelty coffee mug features classic comic portraits of Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, the Hulk, Spider-Man, and Daredevil springing into action and hopefully inspiring you to do the same. This oversized coffee mug is constructed from durable BPA-free and toxin-free ceramic, and is microwave-safe and top-rack dishwasher-safe. This Marvel Heroes Jumbo Coffee Mug is a great gift for all the Marvel and Avengers fans in your universe or the next. And feel confident knowing you are purchasing authentic, officially licensed Marvel products from Silver Buffalo. Silver Buffalo is a trend-setting housewares and home decor company based in the heart of New York City. Working in collaboration with licensors and brands, Silver Buffalo develops unique, creative and groundbreaking products with a devotion to detail and commitment to innovation while staying true to current trends. Silver Buffalo prides themselves on manufacturing and distributing exciting products that connect with the child or fan, addict, in all of us. Top reviews from the United States. Marvel fans will love this mug. I haven't seen the mug myself, I bought it for my son to go with the Nespresso maker I bought him and his wife for Christmas. He's a Marvel fan, but not obsessed or anything. His wife's brother is an avid Marvel fan, and my son said he would go nuts over it. He loves the mug and uses it daily. It's bigger than an average mug so it accommodates the milk froth from the lattes. Based on my son's reaction, I'd say this is a great gift for any Marvel fan regardless of their level of interest.